Hi there, you're back. Thank you for finishing activity three, the sim. So there's two more things to do. First of all, activity four, which is a discussion, and activity five, revisiting your model from yesterday. So let's take a look at what that looks like. In Amplify, you are at activity four, and you really need to, let me make this a little bit bigger, find somebody to discuss these questions with your partner, okay? What can you infer about the strength and the direction of forces experienced by the pod and space station when they collided? What evidence from today's activities supports your inference? And in a message from Dr. Gonzalez, we learned that the space station is moving as a result of the collision. Discuss and identify which direction that is. All right. And then explain to yourself based on what you've seen today. So this should take no more than a few minutes. Once you have done that, you are ready to go on to the homework. Now, the homework is not homework, this is classwork because I think you can easily finish this during class. So for this, you're revisiting the model that you already looked at during the warm up yesterday morning. If you didn't, then it might be the first time. That's also okay. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open it up, and in this model, you're going to describe what the forces are during the collision. All right. So it's always good when you're in this model to look at the instructions. So the goal says model the forces exerted when two objects collide, strength and direction. All right. And do drag force arrows into the during force panel so it shows the strength and direction of the forces exerted on each object in the collision. Okay, so you're only dragging in forces that act on these objects during the collision. And you've seen a lot of examples about this during the sim. So think about the strength of the force. If this is going medium velocity, which strength force should I choose here? All right. And make sure that you show that these forces are acting on these objects. All right. Once you have done that, if you've changed it, if you already had, if you're saying I did it right the first time, that's fine. But I want you to click update here. Once you click update, it will be sending you and it says, thank you for handing in your work. And then it says, okay. All right. That's all for today. So once you have done these three activities, take a moment to see whether you have any missing assignments for science or any other subjects. Work on those, and otherwise, do something quietly for yourself. I really appreciate you working hard through this while I'm not here, and I'd like to be back, or I hope to be back soon. Thank you so much.